What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Nike Outlet Watts was just crazy last time we came. Had to come back. Let's go see what's up. Dang, I just saw someone at the register with some fire dunks. They did open up an hour ago, so I am a little bit late. See what's up here in the refurb section. Invincible Run Flyknits. They had these last week, like a Miami Hurricanes colorway. Go for 90 bucks. Gently worn. Blazer low 10s. Oh, this is some really nice, interesting leather. Going for freaking $48. Holy cow. Size 13. We got the dunk. 85s. Slightly better leather. 70 bucks. Holy cow. Browns. Oh, this is too big. Yeah, Pegs 38 Browns. 65 bucks. Gently worn. Air Max 95 next to it. $90 gently worn. Metcon 7 size 12 go for 78. Have some baseball cleats with extra bling on it. Alpha Huarache's going for 75, gently worn. Blazer low vintage going for 45, slightly imperfect though. Alright, nothing too crazy. Alright, let's check out the 10 10.5s. Oh, that's over here. 10 10.5s in the regular clearance section, by the way. Everything is 30% off the back wall. Jordan 37, these are down to $150. Not as cheap as the lows that I got, of course. Cosmic Unity 2s going for 85. Air Max 95 going for way too much. $160, really? We got the Air Force One Reacts right here going for 85. Got a bunch of the Air Max Dimes right here. Those are $130. And not too much. Alright, moving on to the bigger sizes. Got some Chicago color or bread toes. Got some mid bread toes to be able to get these for 30% off. That's not bad. Size 11. That's not a bad find. Got System 23s. Croc looking things going for $110. Dang, I got here late today, yo. I did. $85. Air Force One React. Not bad. And then got these, what's it, Jordan 1 New? Jordan 1 Low New, or Jordan, what are these technically called? Jordan the New Retro 1 Lows, whatever. But yeah, these are going for $110. Do see a bunch of these slides. This one, the back is open right here. These are the PSG slides, going for $30, 20% off. Kind of do like these. This might match some of the Lakers stuff that I got. And these are what, $30? 30? Yeah, 30 minus what, 30%, $21. These ain't bad. I thought about it last time. Alright, I did fix that. Try to help them out a little bit. Size 12 Invincible Run Flyknits, $135. Got some Cosmic Unity 2s. And these are Cosmic Unity 2s, don't know the price though. These are pretty dope. These are pretty fire, dude. This is a dope colorway right here. Chicago colorway. Size 13, $80 for the Blazer mids. Still got these. I showed these. Last video, $130. This is Air Force One, but it does celebrate LA from way back when, right? Ooh, it has. Oh, okay, that's pretty dope. I didn't see that last time. Just have that quilted lining as well, which is pretty fire. Okay. What's it have on the other insole? Oh, okay. So it's LA right there. These are pretty fire, dude. $150 to be able to get 30 off. That's pretty dope. Size 13. 14 SB Forces going for $80. Air Max 2017 $165. And Jordan 37. Which colorway is this one? See if I can do it one-handed. Oh, the black colorway right there. Good, size 15, just not much. I think this is 16 right here. White cement colorway, size 16, $110 though. They're cheap. And then I think these are like a size 17 or something. A size 18, yep. Checking out the smaller sizes. Got some interesting dunks right here. It just says University dunk. $135 for these. What university is this? What the heck? Red, yellow, green. orange and white. I don't know what university that is, but okay. $135. It's got that fluffy stuff on the Nike swoosh. That's pretty nice. Jordan 1 low, $130, size 9. Do got some Nike by You right here. These are definitely interesting. Not a big fan of that colorway. Yeah, they get in $215. Holy cow. Invincible Flyknit 3s. You can see how different the silhouette looks. A little bit slimmer. Okay, $180 for these, size 9. Size 8.5. They got Jordan 36s, $145. Size 8. Got some golf right there. Some 12 low golfs, $180. LeBron's retail. Alright, let's see what's going on in the aisles. I guess it's Trail 3s. Remember, you still get 30% off. It's 97 right there. These going for way more. Infinity Run Flyknit 2 is going for cheap. These going for a bit more. Another one discounted real good. And then Triple Black going for a bit more. Do got some Witness. One of the cheapest Witness 6s we've seen. Another one right here. This one, who knows how much this one's going for. Soldier 14s. They do got quite a few Jordans. We'll hit those up in a few. But yeah, do got some Flight 89s. Blazer Low Sakai's. Blazer Lows. Waffle Sakai's. Remember, like, people were on these like crazy. I can't believe these are at the outlets now. And even multiple colorways. That is crazy. Holy cow. ACG Locates. Air Force One. It's a mid quick strike. Another one of those. Some Briacs. All whites. Black gum. Black and whites. And some utilities. Got a little bit of everything with the Air Force Ones. Alright, let's go hit up the Jordans. Dub Zeros. Look what's in the background right there. We'll get to those. We got some mids. More of these Dub Zeros. Jumpman Team 2s. Max Auras. Delta 3. Delta 3 lows. Another one of these mid looking things. Center cords. Another one of these Jordan 1 low center cords. Access. This one is $71. You get another 30 off on top. Flight Origin 4s. Jordan 37s here in the dark section. Light is like hella low. Westbrook Take 1s or 1 takes. 1 take the 4th gen. Zion 2s going for way cheap. They got up to size, what, 9.5? Jordan 3 Hydro or Jordan Hydro 3 white cement colorway. Jordan Hydro 6s. And that's pretty much about it. Do got 40% off clearance apparel. Let's go see what's up there. Alright, so they do still got these undefeated Air Force Ones. These go for like 180 or something. They're like really, really high. But yeah, they are definitely interesting. Oh snap, did I miss this? What the hell? This is huge though. It's a B grade, size 15. What the heck? And do got the other Air Force One. We saw those last week. Okay. Someone just asked, the military black size 15 is the last size. So I won't even post that on Instagram or my YouTube shorts. You got some 1s, some 7s. This stuff is all the same as last week. Are these the shorts that I have? I don't know. I just bought some of these. I tried them on and they're like, damn, they're short. I forgot how short Jordan shorts are lately, or just most shorts nowadays. What the hell, dude? It's a young people's thing. $37 for these. These are small though. We got the mediums right here. Not really seen too much, just basketball shorts. $15. Is it around $15 though? Damn, they're almost free. Some Tech Pack right here. Not Tech Fleece, but Tech Pack. $51. You get another 40 off on top. So that brings it down to what, $30. This one comes with a pouch. What the hell? Yeah, that's kind of weird. What Browns jersey is this? This is fire, dude. It's a double XL though. It is $160. It's still retail. This was a smaller one. I might think about getting it for somebody. WNBA shirt. Everybody wants to support the WNBA, right? $35. You can see it went down to $22, and then they brought it back up to $35. That's hilarious. Tennessee, $68 for this polo. Dry fit polo. It's a large. Dang, I'm looking, just not that much. Got this Hawaiian looking shirt right here going for $50. But yeah, not much. Dang, okay, still got this rack right here. 40%. Still got tech fleece here. Dang, people haven't been jumping on these tech fleece because the price is really good if I remember. $67. You get another 40% off. That's like in the high 30s. The Rattlers, I don't know, $55 for that. But yeah, they got multiple tech fleece here for under $40. Got this tech, kind of like tech fleece, tech pack jacket. 200 down to 140. Remember, you do get an extra 40% off, which is pretty dope. Oh, this is a dope jacket. $160. Dope Bucks jacket right there. That's fire. It is a small though. Makes it tough. Jordan 1. Hoodie right here down to 60. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad for 40% off. All this stuff right here. Just tough to find something dope though. I did see one dude walk around with a Jordan 1 low white cement box. I didn't see what size or anything. That's pretty dope to be able to get those at 30% off. Alright, checking out the women's section. Jordan 3 Retro. Man, these are like good $2 for those. Vapor Max, what size are these? 6.5 down to 90. Then 30 off on top. Alright, let's go to some more common sizes. Size 7.5. Size 6 men's. Look at this. Got some suede on it. Okay. Got extra laces. $120 for these. Them Air Max 1s I've never seen, size 7. Dang, dude. This looks like a premium right there. Holy cow. Okay, $150 for those. They are definitely charging the premium. Blazers, size 8 down to $90. I was like, those ain't no 270s, yo. Nope. Got Blazer mids going for $115. Jordan 1 Elevates, size 8.5, $135. Jordan 1 Lows, Jordan 1 Low, $110 for those. Why not 0.6 down to $110, size 9. Did peruse the big sizes, especially since my kid could wear some of these. Didn't really see anything though. Didn't really see anything. No running shoes or anything like that. All right, let's see what's happening in the women's section or what's not happening. Pegasus 38. Another one of those. Remember, 30% off these because it is a 97. This 37 as well. It's a Metcon 8s going for $60 after a discount. $100 for these. Damn, I'm surprised these ain't on sale. Damn, dude. Got another one right here. Women's two trays. I've never seen that. Okay. They need to run flying at 3s. Another one of those. But yeah, you need to get this one. Look at this. Look at the price. Holy cow. Yeah, if this wasn't like so pink on the top, it has like a subtle pink flavor to it. If not, I'd probably get one of these for my kiddo. They do have size 10, 11, 12. Blazer mids. Another one of those. Got some Air Forces going for retail. Some shadows right here. Platforms. Air Max 90s. Another one of those. 270s. Damn, all this going for full retail, huh? Another one of these Air Max 90s. 97s. All white. 2017s. Another one of those. 40% off. They have regular socks for 40% off. That'd be cool, but they got those funky colorways. Like they got these in all kinds of sizes, and these are down to $10. Another 40% off on top. But just weird colors. This one as well. This is just a 2-pack. And these are down to $10, normally 18, but be able to get that for $6, not bad. Headbands. I haven't seen headbands in forever. Almost free. $12 down to almost free. Looking around, see if they have anything random. More tie-dye looking socks. Go for 40% off. There ain't no backpacks on sale. These going for $50. These right here, $45. Like, they're not even any special. All right, that's about it. I think we're gonna wrap it up. I think we're done. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Yeah, nothing too crazy. 30% off, that is pretty fire. Definitely gonna have to check Torrance too, because they had 40% off, and went there earlier in the week, but you got to keep checking, especially when something's hot. And they were hot, they were on fire last time, so I definitely got to check. But yeah, this place not bad. Always a great place to visit. The workers are really nice. So nothing too crazy, but 30% off. You can always find something. You know, it just depends on what they got. But yeah, it is what it is. Can't win on every visit. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification button. Got plenty videos coming. Definitely appreciate y'all supporting the channel, man. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Dang, dude. Damn hat. I'm wearing the hat. My shades. My face is all shaded. It is what it is. All right. At least I'm driving the Charger today, which is fun. See, what the hell, dude? Oh, okay. At least I'm driving the Charger. Have some fun driving at least. All right, let's go.